In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube playback speed resetting automatically. For example, this problem is happening to this video right here. The first thing that we can do is to lock with resolution. So this reset is often triggered by auto quality adjustments when the browser rebuffers. So what you're going to do is we're going to hover our mouse over the video and then click on the settings gear icon right here. And then once you click on that, you're going to manually select a fixed resolution. So just click on quality right here, and then you're going to select any of the resolution that is available. For myself, I'm going to choose 1080p. Now, this will prevent the player from reloading and resetting your speed. Now, another thing that you can do is to install a speed controller extension. So you can use a dedicated browser extension like Video Speed Controller. So you can find it by entering the Chrome web store and then just looking for a video speed controller or any of the apps there of your choice. Now, these tools will allow you to lock a specific playback speed like 1.5, so it stays the same even when you refresh the page or change the video quality. Now, for our third and final solution is to disable conflicting ad blockers. Ad blocker for YouTube. So I have here my ad blocker. What you're going to do is you're going to click on pause on this side so that it doesn't work on this side. So this will reset the default values. So like we did, you can just try pausing your ad blocker for youtube.com and refreshing the page to see if your custom speed settings start sticking again. And that's it.